Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We got an exciting episode today. Not really episode. We're celebrating what it is. And we are celebrating 2 years here at I.B.F.HotRods. And I couldn't have done it without the most important people that are in this fucking building right now. My wife, Melanie.
I'm getting noticed.
Old Pete over here.
Magna.
And Randy behind the camera. We had to have somebody in charge today, and Randy's a lucky schmuck. How about her? But don't take that to heart, Randy. I apologize. But
Love
yeah,
you, Randy.
we do. We love you, Randy.
Yeah, that's the best.
We couldn't be
As much
here.
as we tease you,
Yeah,
we love
that's
you.
right. We couldn't.
You too, Pete.
Yeah, and Pete.
Could have fooled me.
Well, any fucking you're wearing my fucking boot. Settle down. I'm bootless today, unfortunately.
New boot goofing.
That's right. So, anyways, enough of the shenanigans. We're here to celebrate, and that's what we're gonna do. Let me roll my sleeves up because this is worth it. So, this is gonna go out to us, to everybody right here that's got everything to do with I.B.F.HotRods. I cannot call everybody else out on this one. This cheers is for us. This is the most important cheers right now, and that's for us. And I'm going to be selfish about it because we deserve it. 2 years doing this stuff, 2 years building people's dreams, 2 years building stuff to create our dreams.
Pinkies up, bitches!
That's right. But we really couldn't have done this without everybody in this room right now. Started off just the two of us. Pete followed along. He's been helping out whenever we ask. Randy showed up, and it's just changed the game completely. I can't thank these people enough, and the clients that we've had over the last couple of years, I can't thank you guys enough. You guys are what helps us build dreams, build our dream, and at the same time build your guys' dreams. And for everybody that's been following us along on building these vehicles, and for everybody that watches all the videos and like from start to finish and likes and shares and the whole 9 yards, follow us on the old TikTok, follows us on the old YouTube, and follows us on the Facebook and all that other happy horse shit. That's right. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate it because you guys help us move forward. And like I said, the clients are, without you guys, we wouldn't be here. But most of all, without my wife, we definitely wouldn't fucking be here. Life started when I met her, and IBF HotRods started whenever she agreed to fucking do it too. So, hot damn, hell, here's to my baby, you know? So, that's right. That's right. That's right. That's right.
Pinkies.
But yeah, for everybody else out there that watches our videos and hates on us, all the haters, because we know you're out there because we hear about it. All the sons of bitches that said we wouldn't make it 3 months. All the sons of bitches that said I was fucking lazy. All the sons of bitches that said I wasn't going to do anything. Well, guess what? We're hitting 2 years, baby. And we just did our taxes. And from what the tax lady said, we're fucking moving in the right direction, ladies and gentlemen.
What?
So, that's right. So, kiss my ass, kiss her ass, kiss his ass, kiss Randy's ass. You know, this video isn't for anybody but for us personally. But if you get a chuckle out of it, you know, and you followed us this long, hit a like, hit a smiley. If you don't like it, you know,
Go fuck yourself.
give us a heart. Give us a heart like. How about that? But
But
yeah,
Haters make us famous.
haters make us famous.
I don't give a rat's ass.
Yeah, this video isn't all for the haters. This is for our followers, our sharers, our
friends, our family.
our friends, our family, you know.
Our customers.
Our customers. You know, this is
Thank you all.
yes. Thank you so much for everything. Couldn't do it without you. And
2 years.
2 years is unbelievable. The year coming up's going to be ridiculous. We have a big show coming up on I.B.F.HotRods podcast called "It's All About the Build."
I think you can undress me.
Oh
better.
yeah, you can undress me.
Oh, here we go.
That's right. It's like a
There
bra
it is.
strap.
Here
It's
it
like a bra
comes.
strap.
Here's another bearded gentleman.
Yeah, I don't wear a lot of other people's shirts. All the shirts that I had are pretty much burnt, and this one's a keeper right here, ladies and gentlemen. If you guys aren't familiar with Nichols Paint and Fab,
Justin and Megan.
Justin and Megan, we just had the privilege of interviewing them for the podcast. It's going to be dropping Monday.
Oh, wait, and Big Deborah.
Oh, and Big Deborah. Big Deborah Nick from Michigan, baby. Here's to you guys. I appreciate all the time you guys gave us.
Don't forget about where you're going. Right here. The show.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Randy said about it. That's why I forgot. We have a show coming up. This truck's going to be here.
Vanna White.
Yeah, Vanna White it up, baby. This truck's going to be here. It's going to be all in bare metal. We're going to have it stripped down. Hopefully, we're going to have all the metal work done underneath the hood and everything. We got a lot of stuff going on in here. It's going to be ridiculous. We're going to have updates for you here real directly. The Riviera is going to be all updated and everything. The Diamond T is going to be all fucking updates, all that stuff. So this year coming up, we got a lot of stuff going on. We really want to, we're really pushing to give you guys more content, the whole 9 yards. The only thing is we put out a couple of videos recently that did a little trial and error, little test runs with you guys.
What?
And, you know, the attention span of Facebook isn't past a minute 30. Let's just face it. So, what? Hey, squirrel. Hey, Donald Trump.
Hey,
Joe Biden.
Settle down.
Anyways, since the 5 people that are going to watch this far, we're moving to YouTube, ladies and gentlemen. You're going to get the cliff notes, but you're going to get the highlights and everything else. You're going to get the whole fucking 60 minutes of gameplay at YouTube. So that's what's going on. Car show in April. Next couple of weeks, first weekend in April, we're going down that route. Car show's going to be big. We have more big names coming up for the podcast. If Justin Nichols and Nichols Paint and Fab isn't big enough for you, we got some more coming. So haters, stay tuned. And all the followers, stay tuned. Subscribe, like, share, whatever, wherever you're finding this stuff. Check out the podcast because started doing video podcasts. You're going to be able to see my smiling ass. You're going to be able to see Randy's rockin' fucking mustache, ladies and gentlemen, in person. And as always, he's single and ready to mingle.
So's Pete.
Let's go, Buffalo.
So's Pete. So,
Pete is single and ready to mingle.
let's go, Buffalo. Anyways,
Cheers to that.
here's to you guys. Babe, get back in here. One more cheers. One more cheers. All right, here's to everybody. Thank you so much for following along with this adventure.
Let's go.
Love you guys. Let's go. Let's fucking go.
Let's fucking go. Go.
Here's to more years. Here's to more glorious, glorious years of building hot rods. Again, clients,
Thank y'all.
thank you so much. Truly love you. If I ever seem like an asshole to you, that's just my personality.
Because that's him.
I apologize. So, love you guys. Can't wait to move forward with these builds. We got big builds coming up. And cheers, ladies and gentlemen. Here's to more years. Here's to the haters. Here's to the fans. Here's to the fans. Love y'all. Cheers.